Now fourth category is on the base of the carbon composites. So here we are having carbon as a matrix and carbon as a reinforcement. So in the both the things we are having the carbon. Okay. So first one was on the basis of the polymers having polymer as a matrix. Second was metal as a matrix. Third one ceramics as a matrix. Fourth means carbon as a matrix, and also reinforcement must be of the carbon. Okay, so here both the things matrix and reinforcement both are of having the carbon. Okay, so matrix is a carbon and reinforcement is carbon fiber. Not just a simple carbon, but the carbon, because the carbon fiber is also the category of carbon. Okay, so what reinforcement is? The carbon fiber is the reinforcement, and the main material or main parent material is a carbon. Okay, which we can say as a matrix. If we talk about the application parts, aircrafts, brakes, high temperature application, etc. Okay,